Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by securing power and a stable mount so recordings are reliable. First, decide hardwire versus the 12V socket and confirm constant power. This prevents sudden shutdowns. Next, place the dash cam behind the rearview mirror at about 20 to 30% from center to avoid glare and keep a clear field of view. Once mounted, format and insert a recommended 30 to 128 GB Class 10 or UHSI micro SD card to ensure continuous loop recording. Now configure how the Wigo records so you capture useful evidence. Start by choosing resolution, 1080p for balance, 2K if details matter, and set frame rate to 30-60 FPS depending on storage. Then enable loop recording and G-sensor event protection so collisions are preserved automatically. If you park in exposed areas, enable parking mode and set sensitivity carefully. Finally, adjust exposure and WDR to reduce glare, and sync date/time plus GPS and speeds. Finish by validating the entire setup with a 5 to 10 minute test drive, and then review clips for blind spots, audio clarity, and correct timestamps. Make sure wires are neatly routed and secured with trim clips or a fuse tap if you hardwired the unit. Loose wiring causes intermittent power loss. If the dash cam fails to record, check that the micro SD isn't write-locked or corrupted, reformat it, confirm firmware is current, and verify the chosen power source supplies constant voltage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.